May we be seated?
2008. Along the way, he served in several strategic academic and administrative positions, including head of the Department of Public Law between 2006 and 2008, Dean of the Faculty of Law 2008 to 2014, and Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration of the University. His for principled leadership and academic excellence earned him national recognition, culminating in his conferment with the prestigious rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria in 2014, law, and has contributed significantly to Nigeria's legal scholarship through journals, monographs, book governance and public service. Among others, he was appointed Pro-Chancellor, and he also served as a member of the Governing Council of the Nigerian Institute of Advanced Legal Studies and the Council of Legal. Amupitan brings a rare blend of legal expertise, academic rigor, administrative experience, and unwavering towards restoring public confidence in the electoral process and reinforcing the rule of law. Mrs. Yemisi Amupitan. And their union is blessed with 4 children with significant names. Designate, please step forward to take his oath of office.
Lawfully vested in the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so as not to endanger the continuance of the federal government of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people according to law. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration and shall become known to me as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission. And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
The Secretary to the Government of the Federation, members of the Federal Executive Council here present, distinguished guests, Head of Service, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first begin by congratulating Professor Josiah Amupitan on the appointment as the Chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission. Your nomination for the important role and the subsequent confirmation by the Senate is a testament to your capacity and the confidence reposed in you by both the executive and the legislative arm of government. The significant achievement marked the beginning of a challenging yet rewarding journey, and I trust that you will approach your responsibilities with the highest level of integrity, dedication, and patriotism. Our democracy has come a long way in 25 years. We have consolidated and strengthened our democratic institutions, particularly our electoral system, through innovation and reforms. We have learned a great deal along the way and have improved significantly from where we were many years ago. We must now remain committed to the principles that underpin democracy in a complex, multifaceted society. The electoral process is a vital part of a democracy, safeguarding the people's exclusive right to choose their leaders and shape their future. To ensure that our democracy continues to flourish, the integrity of our electoral system must be beyond reproach. It is important that our elections are free, fair, and credible. We must consistently improve our electoral process, addressing the challenges of yesterday and innovating for today and tomorrow. To maintain public trust in elections, electoral integrity must be protected. All aspects of the process, from registration to campaigning, immediate access, voting and counting, should be transparent, non-violent, and be credible. No electoral system is flawless, but since elections are vital to a nation's future, it is essential to continually strengthen electoral institutions, ensuring they are robust, resilient, and safeguarded against artificial setbacks. I therefore charge you, Professor Amupitan, as you take on this important assignment to protect the integrity of our elections and electoral process and strengthen the institutional capacity of INEC. I wish you success as you lead INEC on your first assignment in November 2025, which is the governorship election in Anambra State. God bless you. God bless Nigeria and Federal Republic. Thank you very much.